this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to create an Adobe video using Adobe Spark. It's really easy to do and very fun. So you're going to sign in with your Google account and go to spark.adobe.com. And when you sign in with your Google account, it'll take you to your page and it'll show your projects. There's my last project. And to do my next one, I can click the plus. I want to point out, though, the three lines over in the top corner. Anytime you're using this Adobe product, I want you to feel comfortable to just click on things and see what they'll do. This is a nice shortcut to be able to get back to your projects, to be able to create a new post, a page, or a video. So you can do it in either location. If I push this one, it does the same thing. It just opens up this instead. So I would like to create a video. Let's get started right away. It's fairly intuitive. It kind of walks you through. It has some neat features to it that I want to point out. One of the features is it has a tutorial that will walk you through this. So it'll happen in just a moment. But I'm going to create a video about my grade level, and it's going to be a 5th grader can. And this is a video that's going to be for incoming 5th graders in the beginning of the school year about what they look forward to this school year and what they're going to be able to do. Now, I love that you could pick a story template or you can start from scratch, but this is great when you're creating with kids because it really scaffolds and gives them ideas about what to say for each slide. I'm going to do the teach a lesson just so I can show you what the scaffolding looks like. It's really nice. But while we're going through this process, a lot of times the tutorial will start right up. It'll be another window just like this. Here's some quick tips. I suggest you watch it and click OK, I'm ready, or you can X out. But I'll let you watch that on your own. Now you'll notice that in this video, when I get started, it takes me straight here. And when you click on this little text here, it shows the scaffolding, what I was talking about. My first slide is I'm on the overview. What will you teach and why is it interesting or relevant? How will people use what they learn? And it kind of gives you an idea what to put on here. So I'm going to be thinking about that. But first I want to get my theme down and what I want to use for the theme. And again, you can change these later if you don't like it. I'm going to go ahead and use Ginger. And I'm also going to click on layout. I want to have that open all the time. And this is really, I think it's very helpful because it reminds you of the different ways that you can have your video laid out. There's pretty much different ways that you can add things to your image here. Right now it's on one thing, so I can have one big thing in the center of here. And it only can be one with that layout, and it can either be an icon, a photo, or a text. Now, if I want to have a thing plus a caption, which I kind of want to do for my first page, then I'm going to put both of these. And here I can add text for the caption, and I'm going to put a 5th grader can. And then I'm thinking I want to do an image here. So I'm going to click photo, and it's similar to a post. I can find a photo, and I'm looking for a photo that is like a school photo. And you can scroll through. Again, these are copyright-free images. They give credit to the authors right on the image when you post them. So as I go through here and I'm looking for just the right picture, hopefully you'll be able to find it. And these are the pieces that take time. There's the picture I want. And so you click on it and it just shows up there. And there is where you can see the credit for whose photo it is. All right, so I'm ready to go. I know you see the record button. We're going to do that last. So when I do the next slide, this is a concept. Describe the concept you're teaching. Again, I'm going to change the layout. And I'm going to go for a full screen photo. Oh, actually, no, you know what? I'm going to show you the thing plus a full photo, which I thought was really interesting. So in the center, I'm going to put an icon. These are really cool to have. And I want to describe that by the time you graduate, I'm going to call it yeah, that'll work. By the time you graduate 5th grade, this is what you can expect. So I want a picture of a graduate on there. And do I want that kind of graduate picture? Yeah, I guess so. I guess you can go through and see which one you like. I don't know, it was different in the center there. Okay, I have no idea. Just keep going through and picking what you like. All right. Oh no, this one looks like like a younger student. This can be trouble making decisions here. All right, then maybe I want a picture in the background. I just want to liven it up a bit. I want to do a photo, and again, I'm going to find photos, and I want sort of like, um, uh, I wonder if we could put checkerboard, if it could give me a pattern. Ooh, no, it did checkerboards. Um, what if I did chevrons? Let's see. Oh, ew. Maybe not. Actually, some of those might be nice for background image. I'm going to go with the safe choice, which I always do, which is flowers, just to give something as a nice background. So there we go. If I want flowers in the background, I don't know if that looks great. But you get the idea. You can go through and change those as you like. So for the next one, you might want to, keep adding. You might just want a full screen photo for this one. And for this one, I really wanted to start getting into, give an example that your audience can relate to. So I'm a fifth grader, Ken, and I want to show that they can bring their own device. And so I might type in laptop and scroll and see if that gave me the right image that I'm looking for. Oh, look, there's different devices. And so look, it covers the whole page. I can't put anything else on this page unless I change the layout and change my mind that I want things in there like icons or text. But I see this record button. I'm going to go ahead and record. Before I record, though, I'm going to pick my music. And you can look through all this music, and to try it, you just click on it, and it will, I'm going to try this whistle away, and you can try it as a sample. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of nice. That'll be fun. All right, so it's selected, and I'm going to, that will have my music. If you have your own music, you can add your own music. All right, so I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to then, you can click and record and use your voice for this. So let's see if it'll work. It will say it wants to use my microphone, so I'll say allow. And we'll try one more time. Press and hold while I'm speaking. A fifth grader can. All right, so I can re-record as many times as I want. I'm going to go to the next one. By the time a fifth grader graduates, they can do many things. Click on this one, and we'll try it again. You might be able to bring your own device to school. It takes a lot of responsibility. All right, and you can see I can go through this whole process. If I don't want one of these slides, it has too many on there, that I'm not interested, I can click on the little circles here, and I can delete this slide and say, yes, I don't need that. You can also rearrange the order of your slides and put them in any order you like. All right, so you can preview. Let's see what it looks like. A fifth grader can. By the time a fifth grader graduates, they can do many things. You might be able to bring your own device to school. It takes a lot of responsibility. And here's all the parts where I didn't finish, but then it gives it credit at the end, which is really nice. And when I'm all done, I can click share, and I can pick a category. Again, I'm going to make sure it's education. I can put a subtitle, and I can either download the video or I can create a link. And this is really nice because then I can just share that link in any place I want, whether it be on a Google slide or in a Padlet or in a Google form that you turn in for a class project. So many ways that you could use Adobe Spark to show what you know. Look forward to seeing your creations.